Number 50. Find the global extrema of the function on the interval from -3 to 8. Global extrema is fancy talk for absolute max and min. Okay, well, first of all, if you use your common sense on this is a parabola, so it looks like this. If I chop off this parabola at -3 and 8, depending on where that is, you know, the -3 could be here, the 8 could be here. I have no idea where they are, but the extreme max and extreme min. The extreme min is definitely going to be the vertex, which I'll find when I do the derivative and set it equal to 0. The extreme max is just going to be whichever one's higher out of these two endpoints. So even if you didn't know that or think about that, hopefully you've been trained well enough to know max min closed interval. This is the extreme value theorem, EVT. Immediately you should write x, the title of this, f of x, plug in your endpoints, and now we're looking for the critical points. So now find the derivative and set it equal to 0 and test them in the original function. So the derivative is 2x minus 5. Set that equal to 0 and you'll get 5/2. Okay? Now you would plug that 5/2 in for x to find its value, but like I said, if you know what the graph looks like, then you know this is going to be a min. So that's going to be my minimum for sure. I don't know what the y-coordinate is, and I got to figure out whether or not I want that, but I would look at the test and figure that out because I don't really want to deal with it, but I'll get to it in a minute. All right, these two, plug them in. One of them is going to be my absolute max. I just got to figure out which one's higher. Well, when you plug in -3, you're going to get 9, a positive 30, and a positive 5. So that is 44. When I plug in 8, I'm going to get a 64 minus 80 plus 5, which is a negative number. So that's definitely, this is going to be my max. This is my min. I don't know whether or not I need to figure this out. Let me see. What did the directions say? Find the globe. I think I usually only need the x coordinates, but if I needed the y coordinate, I would plug the 5/2 in right now. Okay, good enough?